Hello students, today we will start this chapter from here. Those children playing puzzles and in between they reached a lake. You can see here lake and boats, right? Now this is a table given here. There are different kind of boats. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip times. Now see this table. Name of boat, ticket price and trip time. Boat is double decker. It takes rupees 30 for a time of 45 minutes. Paddle boat takes rupees 30 rupees 15 for a trip time of 30 minutes. Motor boat took 25 rupees for a trip time of 20 minutes, and boat with oars took rupees 15 for a trip time of 45 minutes. Now children thought which boat is profitable to take. Now some questions are for you to solve. First question is, Indra and Bhanu first went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. Question 1 is, how much did they pay for both the boats? You have to find rupees. Indra and Bhanu first took motor boat. That means they paid rupees 25 for motor boat. Motor boat, they gave rupees 25 and then they took oar boat, boat with oar. That means they gave rupees 15, or we can say they paid rupees 15. Boat with oars, they give 15 rupees. Now tell me, how much did they pay for both these boats? Yes, tell me the answer. Answer is 5, 5, 10 and 2 plus 1, 3 and 1, 4. Rupees 40. They paid rupees 40 for both the boats. Now come to the second question. How much time did they get for both rides? Here you see they paid rupees 40. Now you have to tell the time. Motorboat, you can see in this table, motorboat took rupees 25 for 20 minutes. So we can write here time 20 minutes for motorboat, and boat with oars took rupees 15 for 45 minutes. So here time is 45 minutes. That means if we add these two, we get 65 minutes. Can you change this in hour and minutes? Do it by yourself. Next question is, one group of children went for the double-decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double-decker trip? Right? Look into this table. Here you can see double-decker boat took rupees 30. These rupees 30 ticket price for one head means one student, or we can say that one children, right? So they paid rupees 450, right? And price of one ticket is rupees 30. Price of one ticket rupees 30. Now we have to find how many children ride that boat. How we can find this? Number of children. Number of children. Can you tell me? Think. Yes. Divide 450 by 30. Then we get number of students. Now let us see how we divide. 450 divide by 30. If we multiply 30 by 2, we get 60, that is greater than 45. That's why we multiply 30 by 1. We get here 30. 5 minus 0, we get 5. And 4 minus 3, we get here 1. Now 15 is less than 30. So put this 0 here and again multiply 30 to a number so that we get a number here either less than 150 or equal to 150. We can multiply 30 by 5, then we get here 150. Multiply 30 with 5, we get 150, and here remainder is 0. So we get here 15. This is the number of student. Get my point or not? Okay. Next question is, which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour? Look into this table and see the time. This boat took 45 minutes. If it took 2 rounds, then we get 90 minutes. 90 minutes is not equal to 1 hour, right? If we took this boat, it took 30 minutes in one round or one trip, that means in two trip it cover in 1 hour. This boat take two trips, right? So answer is paddle boat. Write down here paddle boat. Next question, which boat which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? Less than half an hour. 45 minutes is more than half an hour. 30 minutes is equal to half an hour. Again 45 minutes is more than half an hour. So our answer is this 20 minutes. This is less than half an hour. So which boat took less than half an hour to take a trip? Motorboat, right? So our answer here, which boat take less than half an hour to complete a trip, is motorboat. Next question, which boat gives time which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Which boat takes less money and give more time? So here rupees 30 for 45 minutes, rupees 15 for 30 minutes, rupees 25 for 20 minutes, and rupees 15 for 45 minutes. Here money is more than time. Here money is 15 and time is 30 minutes. Here money is 15 rupees and time is 45 minutes. If we compare these two boats, we can see that boat with oars took less money but more time. So our answer is boat with oars. Answer of this question is boat with oars. Come to the next question. Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which two boats did he take? Javed, time 50 minutes, and rupees 40. Here write price. PRICE. Look into this table. 50 minutes. If we see these two boats, 30 minutes 15 rupees and 20 minutes 25 rupees. Add this. Here we get 30 rupees, 30 minutes plus 20 minutes, we get 50 minutes. And he also took 50 minutes. Now ticket price is 15 rupees and 25 rupees. So we get 40 rupees and he also paid rupees 40. So our answer is paddle boat and motor boat, right? Here write Answer. Which two boats? Paddle boat and motor boat. Okay. Now this question is your homework. First read this statement and then tell me the answer of this question. And one more homework for you is do these questions. Question 1, 2, 3, 4 in your notebook. Right? This is your practice questions. Thank you.